Hey guys, in this section I will look at the concept of midpoint elasticity of demand. Along the demand curve, the elasticity of demand is not going to be the same. To understand this better, take a look at this demand curve. I will calculate the elasticity between points G to H. G is the new point and H is the old point, and each of them shows some combination of price and quantity demanded. The percentage change in quantity from points between points G to H is this one, 1800 minus 1600 over the average of quantities. This is what I get here. Now the percentage change in price between points G and H is the new price. From that we subtract the old price, and this is what we get. The price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity over the percent change in price. Again, I will ignore the negative sign and look at the magnitude of this value. I have 1.47, which is greater than 1. This tells me demand is elastic over the interval from H to G. Now take a look at two other points which are B and A, and I'm going to calculate the elasticity again between points B to A or A to B. So A is the new point and B is the old point. I get the percentage change in quantity as this number, the percentage change in price as this number. Doing the calculation and ignoring the negative sign, I have this value as less than 1. This means demand is inelastic over this interval. Okay. Now take a look at points F and E. E is the new point and F is the old point. So I find the price elasticity of demand between these 2 points is equal to 1. That means demand is unit elastic in this interval. So just to let you know here, if you look at a midpoint demand curve, on the lower segment of the demand curve, the price elasticity of demand is inelastic. On the top part of the demand curve, the price elasticity is elastic, and in between, the price elasticity is gonna be unit elastic. Okay, that's all with the midpoint demand curve. Thank you very much.